The Voice Teens.
Wow!
Free chair turner.
Great job!
Good job.
Wow! Hi!
Hello po. Hello po.
Anong pangalan mo?
I'm Jillian Jane Pamat po.
Welcome to The Voice Teens. Anong payo ng magulang mo na gusto mong i-share sa ibang teens?
Palagi po tayong makinig sa mas nakakatanda po natin, sa mga magulang po natin dahil po para po iyon sa mas makakabuti po iyon para sa atin po.
Very good lesson. That's why I am the eldest. Makinig ka sa mga magulang mo. Tama yun.
Sino bang idol ng mga magulang mo?
Is there a The Voice
Alam-
magulang?
Alam na natin ang rutang ito, Coach Bamboo. Sanay na tayo. Makinig sa magulang. Ang paborito ng magulang, Martin.
No, but now that you are a teen, in this particular case, kailangan decision mo. Hindi decision ng mga magulang mo.
So kami na lang.
Ha?
Kami na lang.
No, I mean, it's still her decision. What I can do for you, my dear, is I can... Oh, my God, I don't know what I can do for you except applaud and cheer you on. Kasi yung boses mo, parang professional singer talaga. You really have such control. And I'm so happy to be here to witness this, your first day as a superstar. Thank you so much.
Ready ka na rin. Oo. Yung gusto ko, pinaka-na-appreciate ko na umikot na yung 3 upuan na sabi ko, ganito pa ako, todo mo pa, na hindi ka safe, no? Na ano pa, sige, parinig nga ng range ng konti, di ba? Tapos na eh, alam mo na okay ka na, pasok ka na, pero ginawa mo, sinubukan mo pa rin, no? Yun, ang ganda nun eh. Gusto ko yun eh. Gusto ko yung parang atake, yung attitude na gano'n. Yun ang mga, again, hinahanap ko sa Camp Kawayan, ng mga artist na gano'n.
You are the perfect mix of both. Na napakagaling mong storyteller. Alam mo kanina kung saan mo ka may bibigyan ng makapal, ng may bigat. Pero alam mo din na, okay, sa part na to, kailangan ko siyang hatakin ulit to build tension para mas maganda yung release pag tinaasan ko na, pag inangat ko na yung boses ko. Sana piliin mo ako as your coach and I will be there for you. I will help you navigate through the competition and I will guide you in picking the right songs. Congratulations, Dai. Oh my gosh.
Congratulations!
Ang pipiliin ko pong coach ay, sa tingin ko po, mas mai-enhance po yung yung boses ko po, pati po yung puso at isip ko po. Kasi party po yun ng pagkatao natin habang tayo ay kumakanta. Ang pipiliin ko po ay si...
Cheer, everybody! Come on, everybody!
Coach Bamboo po.
Way to go, Coach!
Hey, good stuff, good stuff.
Good job. Nothing for you to do here.
Ako!
Pwede po mahal?
Wow, you can relax on this one. Aww.
Congratulations. Kung ganda pa ng dress mo, bagay na bagay sa'yo.
Nakihiram lang po.
Bigyan mo ko ng beat, voice.
Good job. Wow, so controlled.
Hello. Hi, what's your name?
Mark Eres po.
Maliban sa pagkanta, ano pa ang iba mong hiling?
Natuklasan ko po nung grade 6 po ako. Nasanay po pala ako magbaliktasan.
Parang feeling ko kaya yun ni Sir Martin. At parang feeling ko kaya din yun ni...
What is a monologue?
May challenge po ako. Sang tula pong pinamagatan pong sa kabataang Pilipino po. Hindi kasing lang po.
Filipino?
Ako na maghahawak para ano.
Taga saan po kayo?
San Ildefonso po.
Bulacan?
Bulacan.
Kaya pa, iba talaga pag Bulakenyo.
Makata.
Itaas ang iyong malinis na noo. Sa araw na ito, kabataang Pilipino, igilas mo na rin ang kumikinang mong mayamang sanghaya, magandang pag-asa ng bayan kong mutya.
Wow!
Kayo naman po.
Sir Martin! Sir Martin!
I turned around. So,
Dito
walang
po.
practice?
Walang practice para
Holy
ano?
Lord, okay. Ready?
Ay, nagpa-practice si Coach Bamboo. Nakikita ko, tinititigan niya.
Here we go, here we go. Itaas ang inyong malinis na noo. Sa araw na ito, kabataang Pilipino, igilas mo na rin ang kumikinang...
Take 3.
Kumikinang mong mayamang sanghaya.
Hayang.
Magandang pag... Listen, Ateneo, hold on, okay? Mayamang sanghaya, magandang pag-asa ng bayan kong mutya. Wow! Coach Bamboo!
Coach Bamboo!
Kaya mo to!
Coach Bamboo!
Itaas ang iyong malinis na noo sa harap na ito, kabataang Pilipino. Igilas mo na rin ang kumikinang mong mayamang sanghaya. Magandang pag-asa, bayang kong, oh bayang kong mutya. Itaas mo, bayang kong mutya.
What did I say? Yeah! Yeah! That was great.
Eros, maraming salamat. Binuhay mo kami ngayong araw. Oo. Sobrang perfect na si Coach Martin ang umikot para sa'yo. Kasi sobrang bagay kayong dalawa. Congratulations.
Ayun na, Eros, di ko na nga papatagalin to. Congratulations na Coach Martin umikot para sa'yo. Coach,
Thank
it's all
you.
yours. All yours.
Eros, I wasn't gonna turn, but napaka-flawless yung delivery mo, the placement of your voice. Now I can see why you're, after watching you do your monologue, there's a placement about his voice that he uses when he does his monologues na malaking tulong yan sa singing voice mo. So for me, it was perfect. Walang Eros. Which means you are now one of my team players on Marteam. Are you ready? Are you ready to work? Eros on the Marteam. Yes, bagay na bagay sa team ko. Eros on Marteam.
Good stuff. Hello there.
Thank you po.
Hello! Napakamakinang mo naman. What's your name?
Francesca po.
Saan ka pa kumakanta? Kasi parang sanay na sanay siya eh, no?
Yeah, I know. She's done this before. Parang.
Maliban po sa pagko-contest, kumakanta po ako sa mga kasal, birthday at sa mga lamay din po. At
Gusto ko yung doon niya in-emphasize sa mga lamay din.
tapos yung mga nakikita ko pong pera ay, yun po yung pang-aral po namin. Tapos yung panganay ko po, nakapagtapos na po siya. Ako po yung nagpa-aral po.
Pero pang ilan ka sa magkakapatid?
Bunso po.
Bunso, tapos napaaral mo na yung pinakapanganay niyo.
Yes po.
Wow! Parang very noble. Na bata ka pa eh. Kumbaga, pwede sanang may intindihan pa namin eh kung yung mga kinita ko, sa akin na lang po 17 pa ako eh. Kailangan ko to para sa future ko. Pero ikaw, you are willing to share to your family para makatulong ka sa mga kapatid mo.
Hey, hi, Francesca.
Hello po.
Congratulations na dine-delay ko lang yung mangyayari. Maglalaban tong dalawa, mag-aaway sila.
Thanks a lot.
Diba? So, andito lang ako para isabihin sa'yo congrats. Hindi ako umikot, Francesca, kasi I know the song. It felt I wanted a younger sound to it lang, vocally. Yun ang request ko lang eh. Kasi it still sounded like an older version of it pa rin. Pero you don't have to worry about me. Kasi yung dalawang coaches umikot para sa'yo. So, let the battle begin. Go, Coach Martin!
Francesca, that's a good vision, Bamboo, about making that song younger. Because you are already young, and you gave that song the power of a much older singer.
So go for a younger coach.
Oh!
Charot lang.
That might be
Charot lang. Inisip ko din ito.
Tama. Yan ang magandang timing. You're learning. That's good timing. That's very hard to do that. I mean, you to match, if not surpass, yung original rendition ng song na yon. It's a beautiful song, and you did a beautiful job. I think we could do beautiful things together. Francesca has the voice that every singer wishes that they had.
Francesca, una akong umikot sa'yo kasi nung may Pag pinanood mo yung buong season ng The Voice, last season, and even yung mga episodes before lumabas tong sa'yo, hindi ako mabilis umikot. Pero, less than 1 minute sa performance mo na umikot ako was enough to allow me to know who you are as an artist. I like that you are consistent, na hindi ako kinakabahan na makinig sa'yo kumanta. Kasi every single note na kinakanta mo sounds supported. I was only focusing on your storytelling. Feeling ko meron ka pang ilalabas pang puso eh, pero nandun na. So, when you choose me as your coach, baka mas dun tayo magtumutok. Kasi yung technical aspect, parang nandun na eh. May mga ginawa ka ng mga runs na pwedeng hindi mo na ginawa, pero nagawa mo pa rin ng malinis.
I'm just ready for your decision because we're very curious. Old or new?
Kailangan mo pumili, Francesca.
Ang rason ko po kung bakit ko po siya pinili kasi feel ko po mabibigyan po ako ng maraming tips at malalagay ko po siya sa tamang sa pagkanta po. Ang pipiliin ko pong coach ay si Coach KZ po.
Gusto mo suotin to?
Well, she chose the new.
Sakto daw kasi nilalamig na daw siya.
Excuse me.
Oo, sige, okay, suot na. Wait, Bisaya ba sa Leyte?
Waray-waray
Waray?
po. Waray-waray po.
Eh, malakpakan po natin.
Yeah!
Laban.
Good job.
Hello po.
Ano pangalan mo?
Ezekiel Kiano po. You can call me Topher po.
Topher.
Topher. Maliban sa pagkanta, ano pang ibang hilig mo?
Paglalaro ko po ng football.
Football.
Uy.
Oh, nice one, dude. Okay.
Simula bata pa po ako, naglalaro po ako ng football. Kinailigan ko na rin po yun. At ngayon, nakasali po ako ngayon sa 5 football clubs.
Oh, good. Congrats, dude. I like that. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Ako rin eh. And I appreciate the vocal. I appreciate that, no? But there were some certain points. Now, we'll get to the singing, di ba? Na parang masyadong mong gina-guide siya, di ba? This song requires you to be a little more smoother, right? You know what you're doing, you're an athlete, so keep on doing what you're doing. If you love this, keep it up. Pasa ko kay Coach Martin, okay? Thank you. Good job, man.
Topher, I like the performance very much. Like that, your family is really so supportive in yung ginagawa mo. Pero kung umikot kami at hindi ka pa ready, it would really be unfair to you as well. I know as an athlete, you know that. If you're not prepared, baka hindi ka pa handa para sa game, di ba? Please keep doing what you're doing. I'm sorry I didn't hear something more. Maybe you wanted to give us a little bit more and I didn't hear it tonight. Maybe the next time I see you, kaya pa. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Topher. Thank you so much.
Topher!
Po.
Topher, ngiti ka naman. Eh, apakapogi mo yung ngiti ka naman.
Voice, my God.
Ngiti ka pa? Oo, yun o. Sino pogi? Yun yung hinahanap ko sa boses mo kanina. Kasi di ba yung kinakanta mo, you gave me a reason. Yung kilig na kilig kayo na parang, oh my gosh, alam mo ba, ikaw yung dahilan. Nagbago ang buhay ko nung nakilala kita. Yun yung gusto namin marinig sa'yo na hindi ka namin nakikita eh. So hindi namin nakikita kung nakangiti ka ba or hindi. Pero dapat marinig namin sa boses mo. Yung alam mo yung...
Hindi pa in love to.
Oo. Ilang taon ka nga?
May girlfriend ka ba?
Wala po.
That's what you need. You need a girlfriend.
Ay, pero hindi ka pa rin
Anybody here?
Let's just bring one out. Let's
Ay,
make
hindi po pwede.
Let's make it happen.
Wala muna mag-girlfriend.
Girl, here we go.
Pwede bang...
Parang,
You wanna play?
Oh, no, I'm good.
parang wag na lang.
Topher.
Mama!
Topher.
Wag ma, baka maghimas ka ng...
Topher, in such short notice, this is the best we could do. I'm so sorry. So, hi, what's your name?
I'm Lilibet.
Lilibet. Topher. Lilibet, nag-enjoy ka ba ng football?
Actually, slight.
Ay, okay daw po pala yan. Dual citizen yan. Filipino tsaka senior. Joke lang.
We're having fun here because we want you to know.
Di ba?
This is a serious moment for you, but we want you to know you are young, you are an athlete, you are a winner.
Thank you.
There are no losers here on the Voice team. Let's do one of those soccer pictures. Come on.
Paano soccer picture? Pag kayang tumayo after?
Diba? Ganun.
Hey, what position do you play?
Left back.
Left back.
Left back? Ako, I play left out. Ready?
What are we doing?
We're number 1, like Ted Lasso.
You do Ted Lasso, and you were gonna say Ted Lasso.
Ito ano ba dapat? Pwede bang dalawa na lang?
It's football.
Sorry.
That's a unique voice.
Congrats.
Nice to meet you, Coach Black.
Yeah, I know. Thanks a lot, Coach.
You are most
I
welcome.
wanted that.
What's your name?
Hi, I'm Cyril Leonen.
Ilang taon ka na sa
I'm 17 years old from Caintar, Rizal.
Sino ang inspirasyon mo sa iyong pagkanta?
Yung inspiration ko po sa pagkanta ko is my family. Kasi sila yung unang first one na nag-support sa akin throughout my whole journey as a singer. Since kindergarten hanggang ngayon po. So, I'm very happy po na hanggang ngayon, they are still supporting me.
Paikot na ako pero nakita ko si Coach Bamboo, na umikot na siya. Tapos parang, sabi ko na, parang, I did not want to be selfish, na akuin ka. Kasi parang feeling ko, mas bagay kayo talaga ni Coach Bamboo. Bagay din naman kayo ni Coach Martin, pero ano ba bang silbi ng igaganyan niya?
Mas bagay kami.
Let's not waste our time.
Come on.
Agenda tapos na
Mas bagay kami ni Sai.
Dito ka din naman pupunta. Pero I must say, I appreciate you na 17 pa lang po siya.
Yeah.
Pero nung umikot kami, actually ako yung huling umikot, parang he felt that I felt bad na hindi ako nakaikot. Pero gusto kong umikot. Tapos gumanon siya sa akin, it's fine. You're just 17.
Can you believe it?
Diba? You are so mature sa edad mo para intindihin mo pa yung feelings ko. So, I am just very happy. At nararamdaman ko na mabait kang bata na makikinig ka kay Coach Bamboo. And congratulations, welcome to the Voice team.
I liked you when I was blind, and now that I can see, I like you even more. Ano yung boses mo, I had to have that voice kasi lahat ng nasa Martin, puro mga bumibirit, but your voice has that storytelling, as we say here on the Voice Teens, and it was so cool. I wanted that on the Mar team, but I must say, I'm sure that Coach Bamboo has a plan for you, and I think we're all excited to see what he can do for you.
Nagustuhan ko sa performance mo, sa audition mo, is the honesty sa vocal mo sa umpisa. Diba? Walang lamig, walang hindi mo sinubukang kulayan ng konti. Meron naman, no? Meron eh. Parang kuyari, in-imagine ko ikaw nagsulat ng kanta na to, no? Naando ka, nakaupo ka, maybe you're in your bed, and you're singing to yourself. It felt like that, diba? Intimate, quiet. Nung umikot na ako, tapos nagpo-falsetto ka, hindi mo na natamaan yun, no? Pero, sabi ko, subukan mo. Feeling ko kaya mo, full eh. Na di mo na kailangan i-falsetto yun eh. Feeling ko, nagawa mo naman sa dulo eh. Kasi ginawa sa urig, di ba? Just because ginawa doon, you don't have to do that. Kung di yun ang strength mo, then make it your own. Well, we're going to have our time, no? To do this, to work things out. But I think you're a very honest, good singer.
Yes.
And I'm hoping you have the heart of an artist as well. Wow. Now, this is something you want to do for life. No, yun ang mga gusto ko sa Camp Kawayan eh. Na I see 20 years down the line, whatever man, tapos alam ko musikero, that's my people, you know? Yun ang gusto ko eh, right? Soldiers, right? So, when I say soldiers of music, no, ipapakita akong video lang na kaibigan ko. Parati ko nakakasama na nga to eh. I would say nga bandmate ko na nga to eh. Parang banda kami eh, no? What? So I'll show you this artist. Stay right here.
Parang nararamdaman ko na, Ezwa.
No way.
Hello, hello, The Voice fam! Coach Sarah here. Na-miss niyo ba ako?
Ang kabuoang message.
Hello, hello, The Voice fam! Coach Sarah here. Na-miss niyo ba ako? Miss ko rin kayo. Isang karangalan na maging coach sa The Voice at ang mabigyan ng chance na maging bahagi ng journey ng mga artists para maging instrumento sa pagsisimula ng katuparan ng kanilang mga pangarap. Being a coach on The Voice is one of the hardest, but it was also one of the most fulfilling jobs na ginawa ko sa aking career. For many years, naging magkasama kami as coaches sa The Voice. Pero ang totoo niyan, isa po akong big fan. Nasaksihan ko kung gaano siya kagaling mag-mentor at ka-genuine sa kanyang mga artists ng Camp Kawayan! At ngayon, nabigyan na rin ako ng chance na makakollab siya sa music at concert stage. Kaya naman, Coach Bamboo!
Yeah.
So past,
Galing!
so we're past that na, no? Pero, for the past year, Coach, kaya sinasabi ko, parang bandmate ko to. Coach Sarah and I have been playing together for many shows, no? And it's been great. It's been great kasi we play with a lot of joy. So, I want to say thank you to her for sending that, for that video. No? Again, you are part of a history now, eh. Hindi lang ng Camp Kawayan, but of The Voice, right?
Yes.
So, you carry that na. Buong buhay mo, pag naglalakad ka na, saan naman, they'll know you from this show. Welcome to the family of The Voice. Welcome to Camp Kawayan. Okay?
Cyril!
Yun na. Welcome to Camp Kawayan. Picture tayo.
Yeah, Camp Kawayan!
Yun na.